With a range of up to 300 kilometers, the R-37M is certainly the Russian Air Force's most deadly long-range air-to-air missile. It is designed to destroy a variety of air targets while keeping the launch platform out of the range of any fighters or air defense unit that might be protecting the target. R-37M air-to-air missiles carried by the Su-35S Flanker E and MiG-31BM Foxhound-C fighters have become a real challenge for Ukrainian fighter pilots. And most recently, there is information that the Su-57, Russia's fifth-generation fighter, is said to have been integrated with R-37M missiles, helping to enhance its lethality. Reports indicate that the newly developed high-precision missile boasts a striking range of up to 300 kilometers. This extended range is said to enable successful hits on air targets, even though heavily fortified by enemy air defenses and other airborne entities. It is highly anticipated that the efficiency of this novel ammunition could soon have been evaluated in actual battle conditions. This formidable weapon, which joined the arsenal of the Russian military in 2018. It is worth noting that the R-37M is an advanced iteration of its predecessor, the ultra-long-range missile R-37, which was commissioned for active service in the historic year 1989. It is also known as the AA-13 in the West, or the RVVBD, a designation used for Russian-developed variants of the R-series that were earlier manufactured in Ukraine. The R-37M was initially intended to be carried by MiG-31. It was later decided to upgrade the weapon to make it more compatible with the Russian 4th generation Su-30, Su-35, and 5th generation Su-57 fighter jets. Experts believe the missile has the potential to improve fighter aviation performance significantly. A dual-purpose solid propellant rocket module powers the missile. It is guided towards its target by onboard dual-band active radar seeker, while an initial navigation system receives mid-core updates from the launch aircraft. Its radar system is the 9B1388. The R-37M probably homes on its targets in this way. First, the launch platform detects its target and launches the R-37 towards the target's hypothesized position. Once the R-37 comes within suitable range of the target, it activates its own radar and homes in on the target. The R-37M can also use a fire and forget mode where it is completely independent on its launch platform. The R-37M is much more maneuverable than its predecessor, the R-33. It can engage targets from any altitude between 15 and 25,000 meters, giving it great versatility. Its high explosive fragmentation warhead is huge, up to 60 kilograms, and capable of critically damaging even large AWACS aircraft. It has an incredibly fast speed Mach 6, or about 7,350 km per hour, which is enough to easily catch up with every type of aircraft. According to the manufacturer's claims, During the terminal phase of the missile's engagement, the seeker on board can lock on to a target with a 54 square foot radar cross-section at around 40 kilometers or more. Similar to the R-37, the R-37M can reportedly carry a nuclear warhead for destroying larger formations of aircraft or missiles. The Russian aerospace forces began using the R-37M against Ukraine last summer. Since then, the Ukrainian fighter pilots have been concerned as the long-range missiles threaten Ukrainian aircraft even when fired from inside Russian airspace. In combination with a Su-57, which has stealth features, this missile becomes even more deadly. Western experts believe the missile is tailored to defeat airborne early warning and control aircraft and other high-value assets. Experts commented that if the Su-57 is as stealthy as its American opponents, the aircraft can be expected to fly undetected inside the Ukrainian airspace to suppress enemy air defenses.